My name is Anar Lalani, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of FemTherapeutics. FemTherapeutics is a medical technology company that is on a mission to personalize medicine for women. We're developing the first ever artificial intelligence platform that offers patient-specific treatment plans for the management of pelvic health conditions.
In common gynecological conditions, such as pelvic organ prolapse, incontinence, infertility, and endometriosis, our platform will augment our capacity to guide the patients towards a more informed medical decision, such as, is my prolapse better treated by surgery or by a prosthesis? Or should I remove my fibroids to increase my chances of fertility?
By joining Mayo Clinic Platform Accelerate, we're gaining access to one of the largest and most richest de-identified datasets to further train our predictive models. We're excited to be working with some of the world's most exceptional health data scientists and clinicians to validate our platform.